Good evening, everyone. My name is Saurav. I'm here to represent Justbill. No, I'm not the founder or the CEO. The CEO is abroad doing implementation, so I'm stepping in for him. So let me structure the whole discussion mentioning what is Justbill and how are we linked to the e-commerce space. So Justbill, as we started, go to the next slide. Justbill, as we started, was a very easy, comfortable, very quickly configurable billing and invoicing solution targeted at the for the traders and the manufacturers. So in the current, especially for the SME sector, so currently there are multiple manufacturers at different locations, Haryana mein, Bengal mein hai. So they have different factories running, so they would prepare their invoices, they would then merge it, they would file their taxes separately, all those things. So our product was primarily, can we move this? How do we move this? Okay, so that's where we started with building a solution for that type of a scenario, that type of a business. And how do we link up to the e-commerce business? So in one such forums, one such discussions where we were presenting in, one of the gentlemen walked up to us and said that he is running an e-commerce business and he has been facing a couple of challenges. So we fair enough, when we tried to understand his problems and trying to relate it with our solution, we realized the potential that our product has of helping out these type of e-commerce companies. So a couple of challenges that he mentioned was that, for example, if like Mikin mentioned that the payment gateway scenario is not so effective. So somebody is trying to make a payment and he encounters the payment fails. They call back. They said, please aap mera phone par order le lo. So they offline try to put in the order. And they would obviously go ahead and service the order. So if he has an inventory of say 200 stocks, 50 he ordered offline. So he would then have to separately account for it, maintain the stock, invoicing, billing, returns, all those things, and eventually he would merge it. Now our platform, our solution is one platform where this can be integrated, the online and the offline models. So that's what we do. So orders being placed through offline channels needs to consolidate inventory, integrate purchases, supply data. So all these things is what we were actually doing. Now how we are doing that? So just a snapshot. It's a very simple, clean solution that we have tried to make. So like for example, in this situation, you can place in the order from a web portal. So you continue running your website. You don't need to change the website. We have APIs. You connect through our site through those APIs. The moment you place in an order, the order directly comes to our site. If you're doing a manual sales or through some other channel, you can directly input it onto the application, and we are going to maintain the inventory, maintain the taxes, invoices. Even if you're trying to purchase from different suppliers, you have a separate purchase order, maintain purchase receipts, all those details. So that is where we come in, that we become your back-end operation solution, a very simple and a very comfortable back-end operations management solution, wherein you can maintain your sales invoices, your purchase invoices, all those details. These are a couple of snapshots from the solutions that we have. Just in case, we also have an offline tool for people who are at different locations where they don't have connectivities. And just skip this one, there's aspects of retail operation that we can manage through our application. Sale return, purchase return, VAT, excise, reports, accounting integration. So if you're using Tally, we can directly interface with those applications. So those are the things that we offer. One quick thing, somebody in the first half mentioned about cash on delivery. So we have tried to look at all these problems and see where you can integrate it. We have an option wherein if somebody wants to pay a CAD is a type of a model, you put in the email ID of the person and we have integration with the payment gateway. Link goes for him to pay. So that cash on delivery aspect to some extent is getting covered over here. We have data on cloud, we have the back, and our business model is on a SaaS-based model. It's a subscription-based. We take in our subscription and pay in on a monthly rental basis. So that's what we are, Justbill. Any questions?
Do you have existing customers?
Yes, we have. We have around 7 or 8 customers. We are fairly new, so we don't have so much of traffic. On this arena, on the manufacturing and the trading platform, we have a lot more customers.
All right. So, as in you're basically competing head-on with ERP systems to some extent.
Yes, to some extent. We have just
pulled
out a very small component.
Right, a small finance, accounting, payments part with some.
We actually have a complete ERP suite. Which we are it's in the phase of development, and in one of the implementation is going on right now, and our CEO is in fact doing that implementation in US right now. This is one component of it which is directly relevant to the e-commerce business.
All right.
Thank you.